Good evening everyone. Once again, this is Sarah TV Philippines. Now I'm going to unbox my swimsuit. Swimsuit talaga. I ordered in Lazada. Okay. So, wait, I will get it. Tcharam! Okay, cut off. Okay, so, ito yun, dalawa. Yan. This is, I ordered before I go to Thunderbird, but unluckily, this is not delivered. So I have to buy another swimsuit, but I already ordered this. And this one come late. English. So before we proceed to unbox these items, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and watch at least 3 minutes if you are not interested to finish the video. Or if you're interested, enjoy watching. Okay, please subscribe, hit like, and click the notification bell for connection. So stay connected always. So let's begin. Tingnan natin. Let's begin to this one. JNT. JNT Express ang nag-deliver. Okay. So, tingnan natin. So, ito yon. Ito nakahabol to, isa. Nasuot ko to eh. Ayan. Maganda naman, maganda tela. Oh. It's good quality of fabric. Good design. Mamaya, may slideshow ako ng picture. Ito. Ayan. Magandang design. Good quality of tela, fabric. Trendy. Ano naman ang lola mo. And bikini. Yan. Yeah. Later I will show you. I have picture of this. Kasi nauna to eh. This comes first. Then next, this one. This one I like, but come late. Natin. From Singapore. This is from Singapore. I know this from Singapore. So, this is good It's good quality then oh. Later, I will wear it, take picture, take video, and I will mix in this video. And the underwear is, the bikini is this one. Of course, I have to model it. I have to show it to you. Ayan. Bikini unboxing and modeling. Enjoy watching at wag tatakbo. So, okay, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. This is my small unboxing video. I hope you enjoy. So, please stand by. I will mix it with a picture. I will take photo and small video for the bikini. Yes. Enjoy. Keep safe, everyone. Sarah TV Philippines.